Talking about the exterior design, the main concept is actually to have a dynamic, agile car on one hand, and on the other side we wanted to have a tough, rugged car that can take everything, that can go places, can go anywhere. So we wanted to show this in our design. On one hand, we are heavily inspired by real off-roaders. We are using skid plates, we are having towing hooks out of solid aluminum parts to protect the underbody. We have a big ground clearance so that you can obviously see the car is ready to tackle any obstacle. On the top, we are using a stainless steel roof that actually is going even around the DLO. So we want to give the passenger the feeling of protection. It's like a helmet. So from top and bottom, we are using those protective elements. And the body side, the whole body in between, is actually very automotive, fluid, with precise graphics, but looks agile. So this contrary world we wanted to show with actually using those contradictory elements. When you just look at the sheet metal parts, the body color parts, the car is very dynamic, very fluid, very clean, but has enough themes to still be interesting enough. And this is actually what Kia design is about. This is what we are always trying to do. It's not as easy as it looks, but yeah, this is our thing.
The Niro started life as out of the back of the Provo show car and is effectively a mix between a Rio and a Sportage seen in or reinterpreted as a much more extreme concept car. From an interior perspective, we've got a very simple, clean architectural dashboard and doors that are kept to be minimal, with concealed systems, both the gear shift on this side and then for the media interface on the right hand side, that stay then out of sight so that you can focus on the driving experience within the car. The fabrics that we've got in here are a mix of reversed leather, a technical silver fabric on the seats, and then detailing in anodized aluminium. This was done to be a rugged an interior that can take a bit of abuse, that can take some use and take anything else that comes at it. In the center we've got the main media interface control here, which is a scroll control for the screen, so it's an MMI style interface for the screen with access to the climate, navigation, and also if you go a little bit further through, communications, which is GPS based and camera based information for the car and being able to record and post journeys that you've experienced. This is an in-house system developed by KME, developed by ourselves in Kia Europe. The door panels are also silver fabric on the top, otherwise they're entirely the reversed leather, just with this single anodized aluminium strip through the center. Designed to be kept as simple as possible and also to give you, as you see on the open door, something good to grab hold on to get the door closed. Of course, having a butterfly style door, it completely changes the logic for where you need to grab the door to close it again. It's designed to be a two-seater primarily. It's kind of a reverse 2+2 concept. Normally you're two people, and in an emergency we've got a fold-up bench in the rear that you can get two more people in there. But it's stylistically it's really separated from the front of the car. This is totally a car that's focused on the driver and their immediate passenger. And if they need the extra two seats, they're there in the back. But otherwise, it's designed for two people and whatever gear they might want to take along with them. The extra two seats are also trimmed in the same leather as the rest of the interior. So the only thing that really jumps out in the interior is the seats in the front. Okay. There's a distinct focus on the driver.